east of Interstate 77. Spotter active. Northwestern North County in central North Carolina, northeastern Montgomery County in central North Carolina, southeastern Randolph County in central North Carolina, southwestern Chatham County in central North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Troy, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Troy, Bisco, Seagrove, Robbins, Star, Steves, Harper's Crossroads, High Falls, Coleridge, and Glendon. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Montgomery, North Carolina.
Took him a second to tone it.